So we learned already how we can pass the poi at our toes in front of us and on a rainbow in front of us, and that's great. The poi can also pass behind you. So we're going to start passing the poi behind at our shoulders. So for me, I've got my dome. You're facing me. Put the poi behind you so your hands are kind of almost scratching your shoulder blades. And again, just see if you can feel them swinging side to side. Great. And my hands aren't moving much. It's more I let my body wobble. Right? You don't do this with your arms. Your hands are just hovering at your shoulders. Right? And you sway a little bit to get the poi going. Once they get a bit of momentum, you swing them around like you're chopping firewood. At the shoulders, you go swing, swing, and swing all the way around, chop. And you can do that a bunch of times in either side. So now you think the firewood's at your left foot, you go swing, swing around. Right? Now to go back, I'm going to flip them up to go to my butt, turn back to the dome, and I can swing, 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 and chop down the cranes. Now again, I turned all the way. That's important. If you don't turn all the way, it won't work. Then I can stop, I can swing the poi back and put them back behind me. You can pretend they're swords. So you go swing, 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 and chop, then stop, then put the swords back in the scabbards. Swing, swing, swing around, and you can kill the goblin if you're a goblin killer. Then stop, put the swords back in the scabbards. And you end up with a pattern like this. You kill a goblin on your left. So do a circle. You're going to swing, kill a goblin on your left, stop, put the scabbards back, kill a goblin on your right, put them back, pass your butt, kill a goblin, pass your butt, kill a goblin, pass your butt, kill a goblin, pass your butt, kill a goblin. Now what happens sometimes is this. This will work fine. When you put them back, it'll go like this or something, right? The poi, one of them tries to pass you in front. So let's look at that. Let's face this way. You're spinning away from, for me, I'm spinning away from the museum. So you're spinning backwards. When I turn, it's like I want the poi to hit me, and it's like I'm going to let both poi hit my left butt cheek, right? But just before it hits me, I turn so it misses that butt cheek, right? If I'm going this way, think when I turn, which butt cheek's going away? It's going to be my right butt cheek. So the poi, it's like I want them to hit the right butt cheek, although the hands are just coming to the shoulders. And at the last minute, I turn, so it misses me, right? I aim for my left butt cheek and I turn. I aim for my right butt cheek and I turn. This is all secretly so I can talk about my butt cheeks in a video. Yeah. Over the shoulders and turn. Over the shoulders and turn. Now another thing that goes wrong is people will do this and they'll go like this. Now that's a rainbow turn. That's a turn in front. That's one circle, kaboom. Which is great, but it's not what we're learning. What we're learning, you can count, it goes 1, 2, 3. 3 circles. Going backwards, 1 circle, 2 circle, 3. Count them out loud. You need to feel it go, like it's like you're trying to put them in your back pockets. Over into the back pockets and forwards. Backwards, into the back pockets and forwards. Backwards, into the back pockets and forwards. Now, once it's beginning to work, you can keep doing it the same way, just whack a golf ball. Down behind your shoulders, forwards. Whack a golf ball, you're backwards. Behind your shoulders, and you're forwards again. Whack a golf ball, behind the shoulders. Whack a golf ball, behind the shoulders. And eventually, golf ball, behind the shoulders. Golf ball, behind the shoulders. Golf ball, shoulders, golf ball, shoulders, golf ball, shoulders. You can also go backwards on this side. Shoulders, golf ball, shoulders, golf ball, shoulders, golf ball, shoulders, golf ball. It doesn't have to look like that this week. We'll keep coming back to this. Just sort of as long as you've got through it a little bit. So as long as you can go past your butt and forwards in each direction, also backwards starting this way, over the shoulders, and forwards. That's enough for this week. If that's working great, see if you can roll it. Over the shoulders, whack a golf ball, over the shoulders, golf ball, shoulders, golf ball. But it doesn't have to be perfect as long as you've got it started. And if you're not sure, post a video and I'll tell you whether you've got it or not. But when you post that video, remember to show me leading up to it. And then I'll know what's going on. So I really hope that works. I think for most of you it will work. And if it doesn't, it will work. I will help you.